channel. So today we're going to be making a chicken tortilla soup, and I know there are a million different recipes out there, but this version is very quick and easy, and it's super satisfying after a long day. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so for this soup, I'm going to be adding 1 chicken breast to my pot, and I'm going to be adding 4 cups of water, and this is going to be brought to a boil until it's fully cooked, about 15 to 20 minutes. Once you're able to shred it, I'm going to be adding 1 can of those tomatoes with peppers inside, as well as a can of corn with peppers also. I'm adding a can of rinsed and drained kidney beans, and to give this soup its fresh taste, I'm putting in a half of a chopped white onion and a bit of fresh cilantro. This wouldn't be chicken tortilla soup without the tortillas, so I have here 3 tostadas which I fried up. Sometimes I use tortilla chips, which were homemade or store-bought, so crush those pieces in. And to season this soup, I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon and a teaspoon of salt. Now for the last part, I'm going to be removing that chicken breast and shredding it up into pieces. Now bring this up to a boil and allow it to simmer for about 20 minutes until all of those tortillas have dissolved, and that is pretty much it. Your quick and easy weekday dinner is done. There is no other soup that can compare to this delicious homemade taste. This is fairly healthy, but if you want to really make this over the top, go ahead and add some toppings like shredded cheese, some fried tortilla strips, and some chunks of fresh avocado. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on my quick and easy recipes, which always have a unique twist to them. They're posted every other day, so be sure to click that bell. You don't want to miss out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.